There's a nice gravel rash going to happen with that guy. Hey up, guys. Old school, them boys. Look like they've been driving bikes for decades. Unlike me, that have been driving it less than a week. Less than a week. I've done 223 miles. I might have to revise my insurance update how many miles a year I'm going to do. Never mind, it'll soon be winter now. Hey up, guys, how are you doing? I'm going to get neck ache at this rate, nodding away. Should I go? No, it's not this way, it's after bridge, I think. Is it after bridge or before bridge? I don't know, I can't remember. Salmon Leap. No, not down there. Oh, it's, here it is, Ruswarp, look here. Things look different on the bike. Gently, Roy, gently. Oh, we've got traffic lights here. There's a shock. Do you know what would be a good company to buy shares in? Bloody traffic lights. Because they must be doing well. Oh. Bridge maintenance, I see. There's a bridge there, is there? I didn't even know that. Coming into Ruswarp Garden Centre. Guys out for a walk. Ladies as well, obviously. Showing off their masculine thighs. Calves like bloody back end of a bloody house. Plodding along on my motorbike. No, they changed it into a caravan park, have they? Did a lot of work up here. Not this first mansion, but there's another mansion. Well, I suppose it is. Manor House it was called, the one I worked on. Not that one. There's another one here. From Val Uppington. It used to be called Val Cup. Very sexy lady. Very wealthy lady as well. A dangerous combination. Yeah, we did loads of work up here. She absolutely gutted it there, look, see it? Very nice lady. Married to a guy called Will. And he was a nice guy when they first got together. He turned a bit of an arsehole though. I don't know what the car mount, what's he doing? Car mount rooms? I don't know. Very nice. Thought I had a rattle off my engine there. Yeah. She never asked for a price off us for anything at all, ever. There was loads and loads of builders up there. Ain't good. Nobody out on the river today. I thought there might have been a couple of them out. Love birds. Trying to be romantic. About 15 years old. Time you get to 20, romance sort of drops out this picture. Oh, you got to try and keep it alive though. Although our lass looks at me and asks what I've done wrong if I buy her flowers. Like you do. Come on, sir. Yeah. Going into the sun. Definitely need a sun visor now. And the steep climb out of Ruswarp. Fluffy clouds, although the contrast on this video camera don't pick the clouds up very well, especially if you're looking into the sun, that I found out. It's a good job. Yeah, what they're doing over there, no idea. Oh, top of this road. A real tight corner, right at the top when you finish climbing up here. Turns left in about another mile or so. I was coming to the party at that house when we'd finished it. She threw a party for all the work guys. It was never a good idea. There's always scraps and things goes on there, which there was. That's another story. Oh yeah. The daughter, I think she was 18 at the time. She just started university or something. She was a very, very attractive lady, young lady, and she was there. And the son was there. Everybody was there, and she was wearing a dress, showing off a lot of cleavage, and the buttons were undone. And me being naive and an idiot, I went up, whispered in her ear, "Your buttons are undone." And she turned around and whispered into my ear. She said, "Yeah, no." Oh, I felt such a fool, like you do. I thought I was being nice. I think she just wanted to tease the guys a bit. Ooh, a bit shiny tarmac there. And Val looked absolutely delicious in her dress. I hadn't seen her in a dress before. Oof. Yes, I flirted a bit with her that night, not too much though. I'll tell you, well, I can't tell you that story, just in case. But that's another story for maybe if you private message me, I might let you know. Yeah, right at the top of here, when you finish climbing up out of Ruswarp, there's a real tight left-hand bend, and I was coming to the party, bringing Dave, love you, Dave. And the apprentice Abby that I had at the time, when we were going to the party, Dave was saying, "You know this road, don't you?" Well, I was going, "Yeah, of course I do. I've been up and down it bloody 100 times, coming back and forward." And I said, "All right, okay." And anyway, it was a bit foggy coming over at tops, and I missed the corner totally. Unreal. If you hadn't have mentioned how I'd have remembered it, because it's sod law, isn't it? Because he'd mentioned it, I missed the corner and nearly went flying off edge. Good job, there's a straight bit. There's a straight bit at the end where this corner turns real right. There's another bit that goes off, like a bit of a mud track. There's that place, look, Potash mine. All the cranes that we saw from distance. Good luck to them, I hope they make it work. And yeah, I missed it totally. Look at that, I haven't been up here for a while. I didn't know there was that much involved. Yeah. This is it, coming up here. See all these cars turning around here. Poor old Dave and Abby had the foot on the dash. Thought we were going to go over the cliff on the right hand side here. Yeah. Bit of an eye opener was that. It's amazing what a bit of fog does to your senses. You think you know where you are and you bloody well don't. Look at shiny tarmac there. It's alright if it's bloody It's alright if it's dry like this, but a bit of wet, that would make your bloody back wheel skid on a bike. $40? Since when's it been 40 along here? That's changed. Oh, maybe because they're doing all that work and heavy traffic pulling in and out. It's still 40, what am I doing? 50. Oh, never mind. Here we go. National speed limit applies. Skiddy corners coming up. It's good to know. Wow, there's a bit of wind up here. What? Bloody people out walking their kids on a road like this. For 250 yards. I'll have to revise. I've got my next my theory lesson next Saturday. Oh my god, I've been doing the practice ones where you can do online. I seem to pass most times. I fail once, so 1 out of 8. Oh well, if I fail it, I fail it. It's only 20 odd quid, I'll just rebook it again. And then once you pass your theory test, you can you can then book in for your big bike test. Obviously you've got to do your CBT first. And that's it, we're on the Whitby Road back to Scarborough. A little short cut through Ruswarp. Whee! Not bad countryside I live round, is it really? You get 5 or 10 minutes outside of Scarborough and the countryside's bloody lovely. It's really nice when all heather here. It looks a bit brown at the minute, it looks like someone's frigging burnt it. But when heather comes out and blossoms, it's all pink, it looks absolutely stunning. Yeah, so get yourself to Scarborough, guys. Book yourself an B&B, early summer. Especially if you're walkers, there's loads of walks round here. Not that I've ever been on any for a while. Used to do when I was younger. I ran the lightweight walk once. Ran it, that was a bad mistake. I got to the other end. I'd left school, I think I was 17 or something like that. I'd left school. And one of the teachers, I'd walked it once before at school. One of the teachers phoned me up and asked me if I wanted to come and help out. You know, I said, yeah, okay then. And we started the walk off and this guy, one of the school kids, started running. I thought I'll keep up with him and make sure he's alright. Anyway, we got to like the first break and we jogged a little bit all the way there. And the people that were supposed to be bringing refreshments for the break weren't there. And I says, come on then, we'll run to dinner spot halfway. And he says, oh no, I'll wait. And I went, bugger it then, I'm off. Just tell everybody I've set off. Anyway, there was no dinner break there. So I never had out to eat at dinner time. I'd had out to drink. And I got to the end. And I was like, I don't know, bloody hell, 3 or 4 hours before anybody else was due to be there. And I stopped and I started getting bloody cold. I thought, what can I do? So I walked down into Ravenscar and went to Raven Hotel and had a coffee. And I only had a couple of quid of money. So that's all I could afford was one coffee, but I was quite glad because I was bloody freezing cold. So I sat in there for bloody 2 or 3 hours waiting for when everybody else would arrive. Yeah, so the moral of that story is if you're going to run somewhere, make sure that someone's going to be there. Because obviously they didn't expect me to run everywhere, so I didn't have out to drink and out to drink. So I'd had a coffee all day. Anyway, when you're 17 or 18, you can get away with that. I can't run to bloody van now, never mind lightweight walk. Shall I call in at Flask and have a brew and a fag? Yeah, why not? See who's behind me. Bogglehole. No, I'm not swearing at you guys. There's a place around here called Bogglehole.